Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix live wallpaper not working on lock screen in iOS 18 update. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and click on battery. On the battery menu, make sure that low power mode is turned off in your iPhone. Guys, low power mode disables some animation including live wallpaper, so you need to turn off the low power mode. After turning it off, the live wallpaper will start working on your iPhone's lock screen. Thanks for watching this video.